Hi everyone! Welcome to the channel. Kung first time mo dito, I'm Michelle Menoria and I share real talk tips about mindset, entrepreneurship, and growing your MLM business the ethical and sustainable way. So today's video is for all the aspiring and struggling MLM entrepreneurs out there, especially yung mga nasa first 3 to 6 months pa lang. So kasi let's be honest, the beginning is the hardest talaga. Okay? So, lalo na kung wala ka pang results, wala ka pang team, at puro scene lang yung mga messages mo. So, I'm going to share the top 3 mistakes that I made and that I see a lot of new network marketers make. Pero don't worry, sasabihin ko rin sa'yo exactly how to fix each one. Diba? So, make sure to stick around for the mistake number 3 kasi yun talagang silent killer ng MLM dreams karamihan. Sayang. So, without further ado, let's proceed. So, mistake number 1, selling too soon, too hard. So, example, sa akin, alam ba nung unang buwan ko sa MLM, sobrang excited ako. I message everyone, as in, kahit yung hindi ko nakakausap since high school. Ang una kong message, may extra income ka bang hinahanap? Diba nakakailang, diba? And that thing called cold selling. And 90% of the time, hindi siya effective. Bakit? Kasi people don't like being sold to. Lalo na kung wala kayong relationship. Even naman siguro ikaw, di ba? So, instead of leading with your product or opportunity, lead with connection. Okay? So, kumustahin mo muna. Mag-follow up kung kumusta na siya. And then, kapag nag-open up na sila about problems like money or time, and that's the time you share your business might help them. Okay? So, again, lagi mo itong tatandaan, people don't join your MLM because of the product. They join because of the person offering it. So, be the person they trust. Next, mistake number 2. So, comparing your journey to others. So, one time, I watched a video of someone in my upline saying, I earned 6 digits in 2 months. Tapos, tiningnan ko yung sarili ko. 1 sign up lang ako in 3 weeks. Gusto ko na mag-quit. So, pero ang totoo, you don't see their struggles. Baka nakailang MLM na siya. Baka may business na siya background, di ba? Parang ganun. Or maybe she just posted content for 2 years before the one video went viral. Ang point is don't compare your day 1 to someone else year 5. Di ba? Parang ganun. And kailangan natin i-shift yung mindset natin dito sa part na to. So, instead na ganun yung thinking mo, ang gagawin mo na lang ay track your own progress, celebrate your wins, kahit first comment lang sa post mo, win na yan. Kasi bakit? Consistency will take you further than speed. So, ito na yung pinakahuli at ito na yung, alam ko ito na yung inaabangan mo, pero wag mo tong gawin. 'Di ba? So, mistake number 3, so quitting too early. So, ito yung pinakamasakit. Ang daming sumasali sa MLM na parang naglo-lottery lang, gusto agad ng jackpot, pero once na hindi makabenta sa unang linggo, give up na. Sayang kasi, napakasayang. 'Di ba? Kasi success usually comes after the 20th or 30th try. 'Di ba? So, alam mo nung first 6 weeks ko, wala, as in zero talaga. Wala akong result. Pero I keep showing up. Nagpo-post ako kahit walang like. Nag-meeting ako kahit isa lang yung dumating. And eventually, I meet my first core team member. Doon na nagsimulang gumulong ang momentum. So, ang gusto kong isipin nyo, dito sa part na to, kung lalo na nagsisimula ka pa lang. So, give yourself at least 6 consistent months, not just existing sa MLM, but really doing the daily actions, invite, learn, post, follow up every single day. So, if any of these mistakes hit home, so let me know sa comments kung alin yung naranasan mo. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. I post weekly tips on how to grow your business the real way with heart, ethics, and grit.